What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. I want to talk about what kind of sales process you should have set up as an agency owner, as a consultant, a coach, whatever niche you're in. Because when you can't get straight up sales, when you can't sell a course, when you can't sell something that requires card in hand, what do you need to have in place that you can always have steady cash flow coming into your business? And over the past, couple of months, I've been diving deep into, Facebook Messenger, having a lead gen process set up so that you can book phone calls consistently and being able to have high qualified leads come into your pipeline, okay? Now, to start off, first of all, if you are not using Facebook to be in Facebook groups, communicate with people who are mutual friends, and doing that side, you're missing out on a lot of money. I have probably generated an extra $10,000 to $20,000 over the past 3 months just from people messaging me on Facebook or friending me or being in Facebook groups or people referring me straight to my messenger, people who are in my niche, who know my potential, who know my credibility, just simply referring me. You should be active on Facebook. You should be in Facebook groups. Create your own group. Start communicating with people who are in your niche, because if you at least communicate, they're never going to forget about you. And if someone comes to them and they're like, hey, hey, Jason, I need this done. And I'm like, hey, I don't do email marketing, but my friend Troy does. And you send them their way. The proof and social proof that they know from you, they're transferring that over to the referral, to the point where that person who's now getting that referral has little to no sales, to actually do. The deal is basically already closed. Now it's just a point of how does this work? What can you do for me? How much is it? And blah, blah, blah. It's not so much cold outreach and messaging people and, running cold traffic ads. It's a lot more simplified and more, simplified, okay? The second thing is you should have some type of unique mechanism, okay, that pertains to what you do and then how you actually help people in that certain problem solve it. So for example, I'm coming out with a new offer right now where basically it shows business owners these 4 big mistakes that you are making in your business that are preventing your Facebook ads or any ads from working, and how to fix them in the next couple of days, right? That's a good offer because people who run Facebook ads or Facebook marketers or business owners, they're gonna wanna find out what those 4 big mistakes are. And by watching this video, they're then gonna be able to book a call with me and my team. And that's my lead gen process, is the video to the calendar, and then I'm booking my calendar out consistently. Another offer that I'm thinking about putting out is something along the lines of, hey, I use this 3-pronged Facebook audience that allows me to drop my CPAs by up to 40% consistently month by month, right? And that might appeal to people who already have something working, who want to see how this audience can help them. And then I can have a calendar on there as well, book people for my agency there, and have 2 separate offers and see which one wins, right? And it's like, when you don't have a lead gen process and you don't have something at least to send cold traffic to, you're missing out on a lot of money. A lot of people just depend on, I'm just gonna message people and I'm gonna build my agency that way, or I'm gonna build my client base that way. No, okay? You have to be involved. You have to be putting out content consistently. I cannot tell you how many people from TikTok or YouTube, from the recent, I guess you say from the recent explosion of content that I've put out on there, that have come straight from YouTube or TikTok and became clients of mine. You have to be on all these platforms, putting out content, communicating with people, because people are going to recognize you. The more you say your name, the more your name is out there, the more you're gonna resonate with people. It is just pattern, recognition. When you say your name or you're out there enough, like on TikTok, I have a video with 600,000 views. The day that happened, I did get 1 client from that video. I posted a video that was free and it made me over a couple $1,000s. You have to start relating to the fact that the space is very saturated, okay? It's not that, ads are saturated. It's that there's so many people out there putting content. You have to put yourself out there, okay? So from all the content I put out on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm in Facebook groups. I host my own Facebook group. there is always a pipeline of attention coming through my business every single day. And the only way you're going to build a sustainable business is if you're actually willing to put the work in, put the content out there. It's not expensive to put out content like this, okay? I have a video editing team that does all this for me. They're freaking awesome. I have a TikTok editor who is very well connected. He does some of the biggest entrepreneurs on Instagram's TikToks. I'm actually going to shout him out right now. His name's Ryan McGinn. I'm going to put his down below. He does like Jason Capital stuff. He does Overtime Sports. Like, the dude's a beast, okay? And that's why my TikTok has been growing very well. As far as the video editing side, I have these video editing experts who do all of this that you see for about $1,000 a month. It is so freaking affordable, and it's a no-brainer. So I'm able to put this content out, not even put my hands on it, have it automated, hit all these platforms. Then I'm hitting TikTok, and I'm building brand equity in everything to the point where all this attention and all this traffic is just coming through my pipeline every single day. It's effortless. It's organic. It is basically free, okay? And this is something that I will always have equity in. So understand that. Those are the things that I have in place right now when I don't have paid ads running that are going to allow me to consistently have a pipeline of new sales, customers, and leads coming through my business and my bank account every single day.